Welcome to Sridhar CCE. We are going to start a new batch for our online students from 1st of November 2021. And in this video, I will let you know more details about what the batch is and what is the course's structure. So firstly, the course is an English medium course. Classes will be dealt in English and the material which is so provided to you will also be in English language. The first date of the batch is 1st of November 2021. And when it comes to what is the speciality of this batch, through this batch, you can have access to daily exams and explanations. Remember, this is the special opportunity which Sridhar CCA is providing to its students and no other institution is providing daily online tests. Through this opportunity, you can access daily exams and explanations and improve your performance. Now let's see the success of Sridhar CCA from 2016 to 2020. 11,432 students have got jobs. You can check this list on our official Facebook page and it is also available on www.sridharcca.com. This is our official website. And if we look at the exam-wise success of Sridhar CCE, 6,714 students have cleared the preliminary stage of RRB Clerk 2021 examination. And when it comes to KDCC Bank, for the post of staff assistant, out of 54 vacancies, 44 were filled by the students of Sridhar CCE alone. And for the post of assistant managers, 105 students were called for interview and out of those, 82 were selected for the job. And when it comes to RRB PO 2021, 6,006 students have cleared the preliminary stage of this examination. And when it comes to SBI Clerk Prelims, 6,832 of our students have cleared the preliminary stage. And when it comes to SBI Clerk 2020 final selections, 423 of our students have cleared the final stage and secured the job. So that was the success story of Sridhar CCE from 2016 to 2020. Now let's know more about the course. So the subjects which this course offers to you are reasoning, quantitative aptitude, general English, current affairs, computer awareness and banking awareness. All of these subjects will be dealt in two levels, the basic level and the advanced level. Basic level is prelims oriented level and advanced level is the mains oriented level. So with this you can be prepared for both the levels of examination once you avail this course. And let's see how is this course useful to you. This course will make you eligible or will make you able to appear for all of these examinations. IBPS clerk, POSO, SBI clerk, POSO, RRB assistant, RRB scale 1, RBI assistant, all insurance examinations, all PGDBF examinations, FCI exams and EPFO exams. So this is how useful the course is to you all. And now let's know more about the course. I told you that the subjects which are offered by the course and they will be dealt in two levels, which is the basic and the advanced level, covering both the preliminary stage and the main stage. So overall, all the subjects will be dealt in 450 plus hours of teaching. You will be able to learn the subject in depth in those 450 plus hours of teaching. And I told you that you will be having access to daily exams and explanations, right? That will be done by a monthly schedule. You will be provided with a monthly schedule, which means that you can have the schedule for the entire month with you. And the schedule so given to you will be based on the upcoming examinations, which means that if there is a preliminary exam of any post in the next month, the schedules so provided to you will be helpful and will be made in keeping in mind the examination. So that's how the schedule will help you. And the classes and the PDF materials so provided will be in English only. Classes and explanations will be in English medium and the PDF material which is required for the preparation will be provided and it will be in English only. So also I told you 450 plus hours of teaching will cover all the topics of all the subjects, right? Along with that, additionally, you can have access to 150 plus hours of topic-wise tests explanation. We will conduct topic-wise tests and they will also be explained to you in this 150 plus hours. And the topics will be from the subjects of reasoning, quantitative aptitude, general English, banking awareness, current affairs month-wise, and computer awareness. And now let's see the course's duration. You can avail this course in 2 durations, either in 6 months or in 12 months. Let's see how both of these are. When it comes to 6 months duration, you will be having 450 plus hours of teaching covering both the basic level and the advanced level. And you will be provided with the required material in the PDF format, and that will be in English language only. And you will be provided with topic-wise tests on all the chapters of all the subjects. Also, special live classes in 6 months will be provided to you. And 6 months current affairs will be provided to you once you have a 6 months course. And the speciality of this is you can watch one video any number of times. There is no time constraint. You can watch one video n number of times until you gain the subject. So there is no restriction as that. And when you have a 12 months course, you will be getting 450 plus hours of teaching covering both basic and advanced level again. And you will be getting PDF copies which are required for your preparation, and that will be in English language. And the speciality here is you will be having access to printed material of the required books, and it will be a set of 10 books covering both the basic level and the advanced level. It will be sent directly to your homes. You don't have to come to the institute to get those books. It will be sent directly to your homes. Next, you will be having access to topic-wise tests on all the chapters. Special live classes will be provided to you in the 12 months throughout the year. And 12 months, which means 1 year's entire current affairs will be provided to you. Same thing, you can watch one video any number of times. There is no restriction. So these are the set of books which you will get to your homes once you avail this course, 12 months course. These will cover the 7 books of basic course and 3 books from the advanced course. And you all know that it is important to have the right guidance to clear any competitive exams. So Sridhar CCE will provide you with the adept faculty who will guide you through this course. Our faculty for quantitative aptitude are Srinivas Rao sir, Ramakrishna sir, Koti Reddy sir, Ravinder Reddy sir, Shashikala ma'am, and Sudhir sir. And our faculty for reasoning are Shashi sir, Prithvi sir, Shivakrishna sir, and Babaji sir. Our faculty for English are Murthy sir, Naresh sir, Padma Bhushanam sir, and Likhita ma'am. Our faculty for banking are the senior most Raghu sir and Mubin sir. And for current affairs, we have Reshma ma'am. So that was about the success of Sridhar CCE, the courses details, and our faculty. Now, if you want to join this course, how do you do it? Firstly, visit the official website of Sridhar CCE, which is www.sridharcce.com. Then go to online course, choose the batch and purchase, register and log in, and then proceed to pay. That's how you join this course. And you might have doubts about the validity of this course. I told you the first date is 1st of November 2021, right? So if you avail this course anytime prior to 1st of November, let's say 31st of October, still your validity will start only from 1st of November. And let's say if you have availed this course on 10th of November, your validity will start from 10th of November and not from 1st of November. There will be absolutely no loss to you. And if you have any further queries, you can contact us at these 2 numbers, which is 950-44-33333, 7569447777. Or you can also mail us at online.sridharcce@gmail.com. Hope to see you all in classes. Thank you.